Hello guys and welcome to AppWiz. In this video, I will show you how to remove download option from your Instagram Reels without wasting any time. Let's get started by going to the App Store and in the search bar type Instagram. Make sure that Instagram is updated to the latest version so that you won't counter any issues. After that, go to your Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon here. What you need to do is you simply need to tap on the three white lines. In the top right corner of the screen, scroll down and tap on sharing. A review option. Now scroll down again and here you can see downloads. You can just simply turn off this downloads option to avoid people from downloading your reel. So that's it for this video. Make you like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon.